All right, you guys. Today I'm going to show you the how to update the COVID tracker. All right. So you need access to the cancel free COVID tracker here. All right. I have a few clients that I did the other day. So when it comes into it, I'm going to put canceled. All right. I'll put canceled. The amount that they're canceling, the amount that's lost, the date of which the money will be gone, their names, when does the freeze go in effect? So the date that it's going to affect, and when will the money come back? So of course, when the canceled are, it is NA, so it's not applicable. But with some of the freezes, you see how we froze them on the 14th and the 3rd. Well, the freeze will be lifted on the 1st and the 3rd. I mean, that's when the freeze will go in effect. Will be the 1st and 3rd, and then it comes back in play the 1st and the 3rd. So you got to make sure when it goes in, and then when it comes back in. It can be 30 days or 60 days, depending on what the owner has allowed to happen.